Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. We're excited to introduce our new standard models, the ANS 9A44S, ANS 9142S, and ANS 7A44 series. Today, we'll go over their specifications, unique features, and the benefits they bring to our industry. Here's the agenda. Let's first take a look at the market view on related applications. As enterprises increasingly demand flexibility, scalability, and cost-effectiveness, software-defined wide area network (SD-WAN) has emerged as a critical component of modern network architecture. This report provides an in-depth analysis of the SD-WAN market in 2024, including market size, growth drivers, key trends, and future outlook. According to recent reports, the SD-WAN market was valued at approximately $5.6 billion in 2023 and is projected to grow to $7.56 billion by 2024, with a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 35.1%. This growth is primarily driven by several factors: rapid adoption of cloud services. As more enterprises migrate applications and data to the cloud, the demand for efficient network connectivity has surged. Rise of distributed computing. Businesses are increasingly adopting multi-cloud architectures, which require the performance and flexibility that SD-WAN provides. Increased remote work demand. With the rise of remote work, companies need flexible and secure networking solutions to support distributed teams. Growth drivers. Simplified network solutions. SD-WAN technology integrates various connection types, such as MPLS, broadband, and LTE, allowing businesses to choose the most suitable connection method based on their needs, thus reducing costs. Enhanced security. With the rise of cybersecurity threats, SD-WAN incorporates multiple security features like encryption and firewalls to protect data transmission. Automation and AI integration. AI technologies are further enhancing SD-WAN performance and management efficiency by automatically identifying traffic patterns to optimize routing decisions. Shift in hardware requirements. Traditional network hardware like routers and firewalls are increasingly being replaced by software-defined functions in SD-WAN, reducing the dependency on high-performance hardware while emphasizing scalable, general-purpose hardware platforms. Acceleration of virtualization. SD-WAN relies on virtual technologies, e.g. NFV, DNF, diminishing the need for traditional hardware devices and allowing network functions to run on virtualized platforms, which enables flexible resource allocation across multiple sites. Trend toward hardware standardization. As SD-WAN becomes more widely adopted, industry demand is towards standardized COTS, commercial off-the-shelf, hardware, which reduces the need for custom-built hardware. Rising demand for edge devices. SD-WAN's focus on distributed management and edge computing is driving companies to deploy more edge gateway devices to manage localized data processing and routing, increasing the importance of edge hardware. Growing demand for intelligent management. SD-WAN management platforms increasingly integrate AI and ML capabilities, allowing for dynamic network policy adjustments to optimize traffic allocation. This demands higher data processing and real-time response capabilities from hardware. Enhanced security requirements. Security is a priority for SD-WAN as it involves managing cross-site network traffic. Many network hardware vendors are now integrating security features like zero trust frameworks and built-in DPI, deep packet inspection, to offer more secure solutions. 5G and SD-WAN integration. As 5G technology becomes widespread, the integration of 5G with SD-WAN is gaining momentum. 5G-compatible SD-WAN hardware is better suited to meet the high bandwidth and low latency demands of mobile enterprises. Proliferation of open network architectures. SD-WAN's core philosophy of open and decoupled hardware and software is leading to more network equipment supporting open APIs and SDN technologies, enabling smoother integration with third-party software. Growth in edge computing demand. The rise of IoT is increasing the need for SD-WAN in edge computing. Network equipment vendors are optimizing edge devices to handle more data processing and storage. Market demand is driving the transition of traditional network architectures towards SD-WAN. In response to this new type of network architecture, Portwell has developed a series of hardware products for edge applications, known as the ANS series. The ANS series is packed with cutting-edge features, including support for wireless 5G, Ethernet bypass, multi-port data communication capabilities, as well as platform options from both AMD and Intel. These innovations make it suitable for high-performance, low-latency SD-WAN applications. Encryption technology adheres to standard IPsec, IP security, including encryption, authentication, key management, digital certification, and other security standards. The ANS series products have now evolved to the third generation of hardware. In the first generation products, ANS 2142P and ANS 8A64P, besides the multiple physical wired and wireless network interfaces designed for SD-WAN application, customers could opt for PoE modules to support PoE-DAs, addressing the needs of IoT devices. In the second generation products, the main update was the replacement of the main CPU with Intel Denverton refresh, emphasizing performance in security computing tasks. For the new products, ANS 9A44S, ANS 9142S, ANS 7A44E and ANS 7A44G, all offer Ethernet bypass support. Notably, the ANS 7A44E also supports wide temperature operation. This table lists the specifications of all ANS series hardware, providing a quick reference for selecting the desired product. Product features. Ethernet bypass is an important network security and reliability feature primarily used to protect network connections and maintain functionality during device failures or attacks. This feature has been added to the latest generation of ANS series products. For controlling Ethernet bypass behavior, the ANS series offers 3 different and 1 advanced setting: normal mode, bypass mode, disconnect mode, and watchdog timer, WDT. Ethernet bypass pairs 3 physical network ports into 1 bypass group. In normal mode, these 2 physical network ports function like regular network ports with no abnormalities from the user's perspective. When bypass mode is activated, the 2 physical network ports are directly connected, meaning network signals bypass the internal CPU processing. In disconnect mode, the 2 physical network ports are disconnected. The watchdog timer, WDT, is an independent feature that allows users to set the system to automatically switch the Ethernet bypass mode of specific network ports to a designated mode when the timer counts down to 0. The feature of Ethernet bypass lies in its approach of directly altering the physical connection to segment the network, as opposed to using software methods. Compared to software-based segmentation, the hardware approach of modifying network packet transmission significantly enhances security. A common application is network segmentation, such as physical VLAN. It can also be used to build network redundancy, improving network reliability and reducing the risk of disconnection. The ANS series targets the market for SD-WAN edge applications. Therefore, managing the vast number of edge devices will be one of the key factors determining whether the SD-WAN concept can be successfully integrated into existing networking systems. To address this need, we are simultaneously developing the Node X management network, which enables customers and users to manage devices quickly and efficiently. Faster troubleshooting. With Serial Console, IT technicians can use the command line interface through Node X remotely, just as they were on site. Better security. Node X is based on reverse connection, which can be a more secure method than allowing incoming connections to a device, reducing the risk of network attacks. Flexible expansion. Based on the Linux-based design, customers can directly add Node X agent to their existing environment without making too many redesigns. Build and ship and application anywhere. The brand new Node X will offer Docker support. Through remote management with Node X, users can easily perform remote Docker deployment from Docker Hub or a self-hosted server. Easier management. Through the GUI of Node X, administrators can quickly do the deployment and devices/accounts management. The new Node X support OTA updates for upgrading the Node X device agent. Node X is designed with a cloud edge architecture, similar to the SDN concept, where the control plane is separated and managed through a cloud server. This setup allows all edge device, or OT devices, to be controlled via the cloud server. Administrators can connect to devices located behind firewalls using reverse connect technology. On the edge side, Node X currently features a device agent designed on a Linux platform, enhancing compatibility across various devices and supporting third-party software expansions. Node X has already implemented functionalities such as remote console, reverse connection, container management, and management map. In 2025, more advanced features will be gradually introduced. For detailed updates, you can follow the latest information about Node X on Portwell's official website. For the newly launched platform, the ANS 9142S on the Intel platform support both 4-core and dual-cores designs, while the ANS 9A44S supports 8-core and 4-core designs. Therefore, you will see 4 different model names listed on this page. A common feature of these systems is their support for net bypass functionality. The ANS 9142S series supports 1 GBE bypass and 2.5 GBE bypass, while the ANS 9A44S series supports 2 pairs of 2.5 GBE bypass. In terms of wireless support, the entire product line supports M.2 Wi-Fi modules, LTE 5G modules, with dual SIM designs reserved for each LTE 5G module. For fiber optic connections, the ANS 9142S supports 2 combo mode ports, while the ANS 9A44S supports up to 4 SFP+, 10G, interfaces. Additionally, the ANS 944S offers 2 DC input options to enhance system reliability. The newly launched ANS 7A44 series differs from previous designs that utilized the Intel platform. The Intel platform highlights its built-in QAT engine, but some software developers may prefer using the CPU for security-related computations. Therefore, the ANS 7A44 series leverage superior CPU performance provided by the AMD V3000 series CPUs, offers a better option compared to Intel-based products. Most of the features in the ANS 7A44 series are similar to those in other ANS series, such as 1. Bypass design. Ethernet bypass ensures uninterrupted traffic during failures or system reboots, preventing network downtime. Ideal for critical applications in industries like finance and telecom. 2. High reliability. Dual power input provides enhanced stability and ensures the system remains operational during power failures, safeguarding business continuity. 3. Flexible wireless. Supports Wi-Fi 6 and 5G for flexible network access, allowing seamless connectivity across various wireless technologies for dynamic environments. 4. Extreme temp operation. Supports -20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius operating range, making it suitable for use in harsh environments such as outdoor, industrial, or transportation sectors. 5. Hardware security. Supports TPM 2.0 to ensure data protection and integrity at the hardware level, preventing unauthorized access and ensuring secure data transactions. 6. Rich I/O connectivity. Offers 2.5 GB copper and SFP plus fiber for flexible and high-performance connectivity, allowing seamless integration with various devices and network infrastructure. The next 2 pages show the detailed specifications of each system for your reference. Target applications. The ANS series is a hardware product designed to cater to SD-WAN applications. SD-WAN is a network architecture concept that uses various software to assign different functions to the hardware platform. Since it transforms the network architecture, it can be said that any network-related application has the potential to adopt the ANS series products. Below are some of the more common network applications. 1. Firewall VPN application features. Provides robust firewall functions, supporting deep packet inspection, DPI, and application layer security. Integrates high-performance VPN with support for IPsec and SSL VPN for secure remote access and data encryption. ANS series features. Hardware acceleration. Built-in hardware acceleration, e.g. Intel Quick Assist technology, enhances encryption and compression efficiency. Multi-port design. supports multiple gigabit and 10 gigabit ports, ideal for high-traffic firewall deployments. High reliability, supports high availability, HA, for uninterrupted network connectivity and protection. Flexible deployment, suitable for small businesses as firewall appliances or as edge devices for large-scale VPN solutions. 2. Switch router gateway. Application features. Supports flexible switching and routing functions with multi-protocol support, e.g. OSPF, BGP. Acts as a gateway for efficient data forwarding and security control between internal and external networks. ANS series features. High-speed networking, Intel NICs and SoC provide low-latency data forwarding. VLAN and QoS support, ideal for segmenting traffic and managing priorities in enterprise environments. Modular interfaces, supports various network interfaces, fiber, Ethernet, for flexible expansion. Enhanced software-hardware integration, seamlessly integrates with software-defined networking, SDN, functionalities. 3. SD-WAN UCPE, application features. Offers SD-WAN solutions for branch offices or distributed network architectures, enabling intelligent traffic management and route optimization. Serves as a universal CPE, UCPE, device, integrating routing, firewall, and VPN functionalities. ANS series features. Virtualization support, enables network function virtualization, NFV, to run multiple virtualized network applications. Software-hardware decoupling, compatible with mainstream SD-WAN platforms for rapid deployment. High throughput, performance optimized for SD-WAN scenarios, supporting up to Gbps level data throughput. Multi-WAN interfaces, supports multiple ISP links for bandwidth aggregation and automatic failover. 4. Edge computing. Application features. Operates as an edge computing device, supporting distributed data processing and real-time analytics, reducing dependency on the cloud. Suitable for IoT and real-time data processing applications like smart cities and Industry 4.0. ANS series features. High-performance processors, equipped with Intel multi-core processors to handle complex edge workloads. Compact design, space-saving form factor ideal for constrained edge locations. Robust network connectivity, multiple network ports and Wi-Fi support for versatile data connectivity. AI acceleration support, optional AI acceleration modules, e.g. Intel OpenVINO, enhance edge inference performance for AI applications. 5. AIoT, artificial intelligence and Internet of Things. Application features, integrates sensing devices with AI capabilities for scenarios like smart homes, intelligent transportation, and industrial monitoring. Supports real-time data processing and edge inference, reducing latency and improving efficiency. ANS series features, multi-protocol support, compatible with IoT protocols like MQTT and CoAP, supporting diverse IoT devices. Edge AI capabilities, built-in AI inference accelerators for applications like visual analysis and voice recognition. Low power consumption, optimized for IoT scenarios, suitable for energy-constrained environments. Security protections, includes TPM and encryption features to safeguard device identity and data integrity. The ANS series offers flexible configurations and powerful performance, making it an ideal choice for modern IT infrastructure, ranging from traditional network security to emerging edge computing and AIoT applications. For businesses with numerous chain stores, operational sites, or branches, implementing the ANS series products can effectively reduce the communication and management costs between each site and the headquarters or private cloud. Retail, large-scale retail chains, such as stores and supermarkets, use SD-WAN gateway to connect to headquarters, synchronizing POS data and ensuring real-time access to sales data. Financial institutions, banks and insurance companies with multiple branches utilize SD-WAN gateways to ensure efficient and secure data transmission between locations, as well as optimized application traffic. Healthcare facilities and hospitals use SD-WAN gateways for real-time data exchange, such as medical imaging and electronic medical records, EMR, while ensuring data privacy and regulatory compliance. Since the pandemic, more and more companies have started adopting cloud-based applications or establishing their own private cloud environments. Cloud-based application: many enterprises deploy applications across on-premise data centers and public or private clouds. SD-WAN gateway enables efficient, secure connections between various cloud services, managing hybrid cloud traffic and optimizing path selection. Multi-cloud connectivity for global enterprises: SD-WAN gateway allows multinational companies to manage cloud resources and networks across different regions, ensuring consistent connectivity quality worldwide. Digital transformation is continuously occurring, and with the vast amount of data and digitized devices, information security has always been a major concern. As a result, more software vendors and system integrators are introducing new network architecture solutions, primarily aimed at ensuring information security. Zero Trust Network Architecture: many SD-WAN gateways now incorporate Zero Trust security frameworks, ensuring high security for every access point and application data, making it suitable for industries with strict data compliance requirements like finance and healthcare. Network segmentation and threat protection: SD-WAN gateways often deep packet inspection, intrusion prevention systems, IPS, and network segmentation capabilities, which can effectively isolate different network segments, making it ideal for businesses with high security needs. Zero Trust is a network security architecture based on the principle of never trust, always verify. Hardware plays a critical role in its implementation, requiring high levels of security and flexibility while closely integrating with software policies. Depending on organizational needs, specific hardware can be selected to achieve these functions, such as laptops with TPM support, servers with secure boot capabilities, or network devices with robust encryption features. Ordering information. Ordering information of ANS hardware model. Thank you.
For more solutions, contact Portwell.